Hare Krishna, Vrinda. Hare Krishna, Madhav. Hare Krishna, Rishikesh. Hare Krishna, everybody. Okay, so we'll start the class. Let me share the screen. Okay. Okay, we'll all start. Yes, everybody.
Yes, Mataji, we can start.
Okay, so please unmute yourself. Okay. Om चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत श्रीवासादि Hare Krishna, Mama. Okay, 11 times. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Okay. Now we will. Rishikesh, you want to continue? You can finish that. Hare Krishna. You want to finish that? Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Okay. So what are we doing? We are doing Rajamandal Parikrama, isn't it? How many places have you seen? Can anybody tell how many places have you seen? 1, 2, 3, 4.
4 places.
Yes, we have seen 4 places. So today we are going to see the 5th place. Are you all writing in your passport? Yes. Yeah. What all destinations have you visited? Because I'm writing, I will show you. Okay. So I hope you all are also writing it. So yesterday you saw Nandagram, isn't it? Where Krishna is living with Nanda Maharaj and Yashoda Mai. And today we are going to see Javat. Okay, Javat or Yavat. So this is the place, Radharani's in-laws and her husband, they live in this place. So after marriage, this is where Javat was where Radharani was living. Okay. So, why they call this Javat, it's actually Yavak. It's made of 2 words. Yavak is actually something that's red color. Okay. And Vata is actually, like the banyan tree. So that's why, this is called Javat or, Yavat. Okay. So let's see what happens here. So this place I told you, right? Radharani is living with her in-laws. So Radharani's in-laws are who? Like she has a sister-in-law. Her name is Kutila, and her mother-in-law is Jatila, and her husband is Abhimanyu. Okay. And you know what? See, Jatila and Kutila, they did not like Krishna. They thought, he was just a boy who would cause a lot of problems for them. And they did not like, Radharani mingling with Krishna at all. But, what would Krishna do? He would always find, some or the other ways to trick Jatila and Kutila, and then he would secretly meet Radharani. Because always he used to come up with clever tricks and sneak inside their house to meet Radharani. Many wonderful and sweet pastimes they took place in Javat. Okay, so this is actually we have the deity of Jatila, Kutila, and Abhimanyu. And here this is the temple. Okay, with in Javat, the Radha and Krishna, the deities are there. That Javat temple in Javat. Okay. So now let us see 2, wonderful and sweet pastimes. So one pastime is where Radharani is bitten by a snake. So we know, Radharani, she used to go where Nandagram to cook for Krishna every day. So one day what happened, Radharani, she wanted to go and cook for Krishna in Nandagram. But her mother, Jatila, she was not allowing her to go. She said, no, 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 today you cannot go. So she tried all ways. But, still her mother-in-law, she refused her to let go. So then what happened? Radharani's friend, she asked her, she sent her a signal to Radharani saying that, to fall down and pretend that you're bitten by a snake. So Radharani, she said, she agreed because she was so, she wanted to meet Krishna very badly. She was looking forward to see Krishna every day, so that she could go there, cook, and then, she can see him secretly. So then, but when she saw that, her mother-in-law is not allowing her, so she was like, oh, this plan is very good. And then immediately, what did she pretend? Lied out. And she fell and she collapsed on the floor. And then, seeing this, what happened? Jatila and
Mataji,
yes?
somebody's talking, so I can't hear you.
Okay,
Could
I
you say
just
the thing
request
again?
everybody.
Unmuted them.
Okay.
Continue, Mataji.
Okay, so what happened? Then Jatila, when they saw that Radharani, she just collapsed. She just collapsed like that. Then what did she do? Then Jatila Kutila started screaming. And then, everybody heard that what has happened. They all gathered to see, oh, Radharani, she had collapsed on the floor. She was bitten by a snake. Oh my God, she's unconscious. And then this word reached, and then her friend Champa, she came along with a maid. So Champa told Jatila Kutila, you know what? This is my maid friend. She's not some ordinary maid. she's, very expert in removing all the poisons, and she's very expert in removing especially the snake bite poison. So, you know what? You should let her help, and then, Radharani will become okay. So, Jatila, Kutila, they were like ready to do anything. Jatila was like, oh no, if Radharani is not okay, we'll be totally ruined. I'm ready to do anything. So, then Champa, then she said, you both have to wait outside. Me and my maid, we will go inside, and then we will see what needs to be done. Okay, and then you should not come inside. Like that, Champa and the maid, they went inside. Okay, and then what happened, that then this maid, she started, making the a voice of a snake. And then she said, you know what? Then in the voice of a snake, she said, oh, you know, I have bitten Radharani. Why? Because Jatila and Kutila, they broke the promise of letting Radharani go to Nandagram to go for Krishna. But then this maid said, but then she changed her voice again and she said, no, but she's why will you trouble her? But then the snake said, again she changed her voice to snake and she said, the snake said, what if if I bite this girl, then Jatila and Kutila, their lives will be totally ruined, and even they will end up giving their lives. So that's why I bit this innocent girl. But then the maid again asked, and what can we do? Please tell us. We want Radharani back. Everybody's so worried. Then the snake said, the only way, that poison can go away is if, Jatila, she promises never to stop Radharani from going to Nandagram to go for Krishna. So hearing this, Jatila is like, okay, I will do anything. I will listen to anything that you have to say, but I want my daughter-in-law back. Without her, we will be totally ruined. So like that, she's crying and she promises to never, stop Radharani from going to Nandagram. So like that, then immediately Radharani's color, it changes and, she becomes all right. And then she comes back to consciousness. Then Champa says, you know what? Even Jatila is also like, okay, you know what? She tells the maid, you don't go because, you wait with Radharani for some time till she becomes completely okay. Then even Champa also tells, yes, let us all go outside. Let us give them some time alone so that, if any poison is remaining, that will go away, and let Radharani rest. Okay, we all will go outside. And immediately when they go outside, they close the door. But who is that maid? Can anybody guess?
Krishna.
Yes, that maid is none other than Krishna himself. So he disguised in the form of a maid to meet Radharani. So that's how he tricked Jatila and Kutila. So that is one sweet, sweet pastime. Another pastime is, once what happens, once Yashodamai, because Radharani is always cooking for Krishna so nicely, she's preparing so many items. So what she does is, she, gathers a box and then she puts all kinds of valuable jewelry, silk garments, saris, everything for Radharani. And then she's like that. She's, she's filling the trunk with jewelry. So, but then what happens when Krishna comes and sees, okay, what's my ma doing? So then he sees that, oh, wow. Then he asks, Maya, what are you doing? Then Yashoda Maya, she says, nothing, I'm just, filling the trunk with some jewelry and, ornaments. So, but Krishna is like, why would you do that? Because if it's for me, I can always wear, I wear it every day. Why do you have to put it in the box? So my is like, no, this is not for you. Okay, you just go and play outside with your friends. Okay, this is not your business. Just go away. So like that, he goes out and he's playing. And then Yashoda Mai, she sends for, Abhimanyu, Krishna's husband from Java. She sends a servant so that he will get Abhimanyu. And as soon as Abhimanyu comes to the house, outside, Krishna and his friends, they see, oh, Abhimanyu has come. That means Mother Yashoda, she kept that box for Radharani. So immediately, what do? You know, they go to the room where the box, Mother Yashoda has stored the box. And when they open the box, they break the lock and they get all the jewelry, all the clothes outside. You know, and then what do they do? You know, they put Krishna inside. So Krishna gets, you know, he himself sits inside the box and he closes, you know, and then his friends, they get a lock and similar lock and then lock the box. So then, you know, Mother Yashoda, she tells Abhimanyu, see, I have got some important, you know, things, some jewels and some saris for Radharani, and I want you to give this box only to her and not to anybody else. Okay, so then Abhimanyu is like, okay, no, problem, I can do that. And then when they go to the room, you know, before they enter, the friends, what they do, they take all the jewelry away, all the saris away, and then they climb out of the window. So they don't, so nobody knows that, you know, inside the box it's Krishna. So now Abhimanyu, he tries to lift the box, but it is so heavy. He's like, oh, Ma, you have given such, you're so kind. You have given so much stuff for Radharani. And like that, he carries and he goes back to his house in Jawat. And then what happens, you know, as soon as he enters the house, so his mother is like, what is this? Jatila is like, what is this that you have? So he tells, you know, that Yashoda Mai, she has sent something for Radharani and I have to give only to her and nobody else. So then Jatila is like, you know what? Okay, you go give it to her, but I have to talk to you something important. I don't like, you know, what this Radharani, she's always, you know, talking and, you know, mingling with Krishna. I don't like that. So I want to talk to you. Just give it to her and come back. So then he goes inside and then he keeps the box. He tells, you know, Mother Yashoda has given you this box, Radharani. So it's for you to open it. So then he just keeps it and he goes out to talk to his mother. So Radharani closes the door and then she's very good. She's like, oh, Yashoda, there's something for me. So she opens the box and who comes out? Krishna. And then he immediately hugs Radharani. So like that, you know, Krishna is always tricking, you know, Jatila somehow or the other, you know. So even though they are away, you know, Radharani and Krishna are away, but still, you know, he finds some way or the other to trick Jatila and then they have such wonderful and sweet pastimes. Yes, you all like the pastimes. I loved it very much, you know, when I read it. It was so sweet.
Mataji, I like this pastime.
I know, it's very sweet. So, you know, I told you, right, how we are supposed to write. Remember, Vinita Mataji told you in the beginning of the class, you should, you know, enter what all places you have visited. See, I also wrote Mathura, Govardhan, Barsana, Nandagram, Jawat, and tomorrow you will see the last place. So, you know, you should also have this and you can share it in the group. Okay, once you have visited all the places. Yes? I hope so you all share it. Okay, now we have some easy fill in the blanks. Okay, so all of you can answer. So Radharani's mother-in-law is, who is she? What is her name?
Mataji, Jatila.
Yes, Jatila. And her sister's name, sister-in-law's name is?
Kutila.
Yes, Kutila. And who is Abhimanyu? He's
Radharani's husband. Radharani's husband.
Yes, Radharani's husband. So Krishna pretended to cure Radharani's what bite so that he could have
Snake bite.
Yes. So Krishna hid. Yes, that's correct. And where did Krishna hide himself in order to visit Radharani?
In the box, in the sari jewel box.
I know. Yes. Okay, very nice. You know, you all paid attention to the sweet, sweet pastimes. Now, you know, we will have Anjana Gopika Mataji. She will teach us the shloka and the rhyme. Okay, let's all welcome Anjana Gopika Mataji. Hari Bol.
Bol, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Okay, we will learn the shloka. Okay, you all repeat after me, okay?
Okay, mommy.
Mat karma krin mat paramo.
paramo.
Mat karma kin mat mo.
Mat karma kin bat paramo.
You can say mat karma. In the down meaning, it says the krit also. Mat karma krit mat paramo.
Mat karma krit mat
Paramo.
paramo.
Mat bhakta sanga varjitah.
Bhakta sangha
Varjitah.
Mat bhakta sanga varjitah.
Mad Bhakta sangha
Varjitah.
Nirvairah sarvabhutesu.
Nirvaira.
Mataji, could you put the screen, Mataji?
Yeah, it's putting. Nirvairah
Okay.
sarvabhutesu.
Nirvaira.
Nirvairah sarvabhutesu.
Nirvairabhutishu.
Yata mameti pandava.
Samamiti Pandava.
Yasa mameti pandava.
Yasamameti Pandava.
Mat karma krit mat paramo. Mat karma krit mat paramo. Mad bhakta sanga varjita.
Madbhakta Sangha Varjita.
Nirvairah sarvabhutesu.
Nirvaha Sarva Bhutesu.
Nirvairah sarvabhutesu.
Nirvaira.
Yasah mameti pandava.
Yasamameti Pandava.
Yasah mameti pandava.
Yasamameti Pandava.
Okay, we'll go to the rhyme. Krishna is Mataji.
Yeah, Saroja Nandini Mataji, if she wants to take for the.
Oh, Mataji is there? Yes. Yes,
Today
yes.
she's there. Rai
Okay.
Prahlad and Raghav.
Yes, yes, please, Mataji, you can please say nicely tune with.
Yes, thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji. Please take over.
Yeah, so thank you. Kids, Hare Krishna will do the rhyme. Please repeat after me. Krishna stuck to grinding stone, grinding stone, grinding stone.
Krishna
stuck to grinding stone,
Grinding stone,
grinding
stone.
Krishna stuck to grinding stone, oh my dear.
Krishna stuck to
grinding stone.
He pulled a stone between,
stone between.
He pulled the stone between.
He pulled the stone between the Arjuna trees.
He pulled the stone between the
He did this to relieve the curse, relieve the curse, relieve the curse.
Needed this to relieve the curse, relieve the curse, relieve the curse. Needed this to relieve the curse, relieve the
Okay, let's do one more time. Krishna stuck to grinding stone, grinding stone, grinding stone.
Krishna stuck to grinding stone, grinding stone, grinding stone.
Krishna stuck to grinding stone, oh my dear.
Krishna stuck to grinding stone, oh my dear.
He pulled a stone between, stone between, stone between.
He pulled a stone between, stone between, stone between.
He pulled a stone between the Arjuna trees.
He pulled a stone between Arjuna trees.
He did this to relieve the curse, relieve the curse, relieve the curse.
He did to relieve the curse, relieve the curse, relieve the curse.
He did this to relieve the curse of Kuvera's sons.
He did to relieve the curse of Kuvera's son.
Thank you, kids. I think we can break now.
Yes, Mataji. Anjana,
Mataji, could I go? This is Keshavi.
Okay. Do
Mataji, yeah,
I
you
don't
can,
have
Mataji. Yeah, Binta Mataji or Sarvajanandani Mataji.
Mataji, can you share the picture if you have? I don't have PPT in this laptop.
Yes, yes, I will do Mataji. Host, can you make me co-host? I'm not co-host, yeah.
Oh, okay. Yes, Mataji, share Mataji, please.
Oh, Zanvi, what happened? 1 second. Yes, Mataji.
Subhadra want to do that. Go to Keshavi. Keshavi wants to do first. After Keshavi, you can go.
Mat karma karn mat paramo mat bhakto sangavarjitaha neva sarva bhuteshu yasamam itupandava. Krishna stuck to grinding stone, grinding stone, grinding stone. Krishna stuck to grinding stone, oh my dear. He pulled the stone between. He pulled the stone between. Stone between, stone between. He pulled the stone between the Arjuna trees. He did this to relieve the curse, relieve the curse, relieve the curse. He did this to relieve the curse of Kuvera, sons, money, Griva, never Kuvera. Thank you, Mataji.
Mataji, can Vrinda go Mataji next?
Krishna loved to more
Grinding stone.
Krishna loved to more.
Grinding stone.
No, it's not. Krishna loved to motor.
Motor grinder grinding stone. Achha, Krishna.
Krishna loved to grinding stone, grinding stone, grinding stone.
Krishna
Stuck to grinding stone. Oh my dear. He pulled the stone between.
Stone between.
Stone between.
He pulled
The
the
stone between Arjuna tree. He did to relieve the curse, to relieve the curse,
He did
This to relieve the curse of Avera son.
Mat karma.
Madharma Vinnal Paramohanma. Madbhakta Dangavadidane Raya Sarvabhudesu. Yasamavedi Bandava. Thank you, Mataji. Can Shubhadra go, Mataji? Mataji, can Shubhadra go?
Yes, Shubhadra, go ahead. Mataji,
Mat
Mataji.
karma mat karma kran mat paramo mag bhakta sangha varjita nirvata bhutesu bhagyashamam eti pandava. Krishna stuck to grinding stone. Krishna stuck to grinding stone. Oh my dear, he pulled a stone between. He pulled a stone between the Arjuna trees. He did this to relieve the curse. He did this to relieve the curse of Kurvera's sons. Hare Krishna.
Raghav, you can go. Mataji, you only take care, Mataji, today. I was asking you to do that.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, okay. Raghav, you can go ahead.
Raghav, sing now.
Nirvaira sarva
Jaya
bhuteshu
Bhuteshu Yasamamaje Pandava
Krishna stuck to
Krishna stuck to grinding stone. Krishna stuck to grinding stone. Oh my dear, he pulled a
stone between
stone. He pulled a stone between. He put the stone between. Arjuna, the taste. He did to lift the cars. With the cars. With the cars.
Kubera.
Of Kurera.
Thank you, Raghav. Madhav, you can go ahead.
See the shloka now, okay? Mat karma krit mat paramo mad bhaktah sangavarjitah nirvairah sarvabhuteshu yah sa mam eti pandava. Okay, now you say the noun. Krishna stuck to grinding stone. Krishna stuck a grinding stone over there. He pulled the stone between. Yeah, sing. Stone between. He pulled the stone between the Arjuna trees. Yeah. He did this to. He did this to relieve the curse. Relieve the curse. He did this to relieve the curse of Kuvera's sons. Of Kuvera's sons. Yeah, see. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Madhav. That was so cute. Okay.
Me, Janavi.
Yes, Janavi, please go ahead.
Mat
Karma
Mat
Bhakta Sangavajita Nirvairah Sarvabhutesu Yasamameti Pandava. Krishna stuck to grinding stone, grinding stone, grinding stone. Krishna stuck to grinding stone, oh my dear. He pulled a stone between, stone between, stone between. He pulled a stone between the Arjuna trees. He did this to relieve the curse, relieve the curse, relieve the curse. He did this to relieve the curse of Kuvera's sons.
Thank you, Janavi. That was so nice. Anybody else who wants to sing?
Vrinda.
Yes, Vrinda, please go ahead.
Krishna stuck to grinding stone, grinding stone, grinding stone. Krishna stuck to grinding stone, oh my dear. He pulled a stone between, stone between, stone between. He pulled a stone between the Arjuna trees. He did this to relieve the curse, relieve the curse, relieve the curse. He did this to relieve the curse of Kuvera's sons. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Vrinda. Very nice. Anybody else?
Krishna Mataji, can I go?
Yes, Manmai. Krishna, please go ahead.
Mat karma
Mat karma
mat karma
mat karma
mat bhaktah
mat bhaktaha
sangavarjitah
sangavarjitaha
nirvairah
nirvairah
sarvabhuteshu
sarvabhuteshu
yasamam iti pandava.
ati pavava.
Krishna stuck to grinding
Krishna stuck to grinding stone, grinding stone, grinding stone. Krishna stuck to grinding stone.
Oh my dear, he pulled a stone between. Say, he pulled. Say louder. He pulled a stone between the Arjuna
tree.
He did this to
relieve the curse, relieve the curse, relieve the curse.
He
Did this to relieve the curse
of
of
Kuvera's sons.
Kuvera's sons. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Manmai Krishna. That was so nice. Anybody else who did not get a chance to sing? I think some of our Govinda class friends have also joined. So if everybody has come back from the break room, has everybody come back?
Yes, Mataji, everybody came back.
Okay, so then we can conclude today's class with our Vaishnava prayers. Vancha
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Jai Shri Prabhupada ki jai.
Sarojana
Thank you all.
Mataji ki jai, Anjana Mataji ki jai, Shamarupini Mataji ki jai. Thank you, Mataji. Hari Bol.
Thank you all, kids.
Thank you,
Hari
Mataji.
Bol.